ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः हंसशिवः सोऽहं मत्प्रें मतक्षमरवीं मसौं सक्षमरवीं सौः स्वरूपनिरूपणहेतवे सुगुरवे श्री अन्नपूर्णाम्बादयितं श्री अमृतानन्दनाथ सरस्वती श्रीगुरुश्रीपादकां पूजयामि तर्पयामि नमः। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः हंसशिवः सोऽहं मत्प्रें मतक्षमरवीं मसौं सक्षमरवीं सौः स्वरूपनिरूपणहेतवे सुगुरवे श्री अन्नपूर्णाम्बादयितं श्री अमृतानन्दनाथ सरस्वती श्रीगुरुश्रीपादकां पूजयामि तर्पयामि नमः। शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं दजिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तयेत्। अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानां एकदन्तम् उपास्महे। गणानां त्वा गणपतिं हवामहे कविं कवीनाम् उपमस्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पदानसंवन्नोति विद्येदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमन्महागणाधिपतये नमः ध्यायामि। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरदं सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरदं सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरदं सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरदं सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा। Devi Khadgamala. Most of you have been waiting for so many months, some people some years, just to listen to this. Khadgamala. Before I start the meaning of Khadgamala, I need to tell you there are many misnomers, misunderstanding about this Khadgamala. You cannot recite without Diksha, or it's very powerful, you cannot manage that energy. Yeah, nobody can manage if the head is being cut. Even if you take Diksha, even if you take Mahapanchadashi, if your head is getting cut, who will tolerate? If you understand it is just head, Khadgamala, Tadusang Khadgamapnoti ena hastasthitena vai. That Khadgam is not the normal Khadgam made up of metal. This is Mantra Bijakshara Khadgam, by reciting which it will connect you to the Sri Chakram outside, and then again comes back to you, makes you understand that you are a Sri Chakram. There are 3 Sri Chakras. One is the Sri Chakram, which most of you have at home, Panchaloha Spatika. One is Bhu Chakram, Vishwam, the whole universe. You have the, it can be considered as Sri Chakram. But ultimately, all the 9 avaranas in your own body, most of you know that because I have explained a lot of time. So, this Khadgam will remove that Ahankaram. Ahankaram again is a wrongly understood word. Ahankara means ego, high-handedness. If I think that I am just a body, that's also Ahankaram. Wrong identification of your own self is called Ahankara. That's all. Simple. So everybody, once in a way, we do have Ahankara. If I am thinking it is a mortal body made up of flesh, that's Ahankaram. So that Ahankaram, it will cut. That means, that's why in one of the Vande Pustaka Basama Pustaka, All knowledge. It may not be Vedas alone. The Pustaka, the complete knowledge she'll give. The knowledge which can first identify what is Ahankara. I am not ego, high-handedness. That's not misunderstanding. My identity is Ahankara. With that knowledge, then Ashtadata Mahadvipa Samrat Bhokta Bhavishyati. The power of normally Phalasruti is coming to the end, right? Sri Sukta Phalasruti, Ganesha Atharvasesha Phalasruti. I didn't say that. Etatatharvaseshyoho didesa brahma bhuya yate sayamadhyano divasakrutam papan naseti prataradhyano ratrikrutam papan naseti. That part we didn't come across because I don't want to tell that. But here, in the beginning itself, the phalam is coming in the Dhyana Sloka. So basically, Khadgamala is a yantra swarupam of Ambal, the universal mother, which gives you the essence of the yantra. This yantra, this yantra, this yantra. And that is Devi Khadgamala. So everybody, irrespective of caste, creed, whether you have initiation or not, if you have a desire to recite, that itself is the greatest initiation. This fellow is, once in a while we conduct classes and we initiate you. But that lady over there, every nanosecond she is initiating you. You are rejecting her and coming to this fellow. Guruji, initiate me into Khadgama. What more foolishness you can have? The moment you have a thought, that take it as Guru Devi's initiation. Read anything without desire. I openly in this world platform, I'm saying with guts, anybody can recite any stotram, fine print, with love. With love. Even if you commit mistake, don't bother. He is the one who makes it, correct it and then take it. Okay, it's okay. You just told it right. So, Khadgamala is a very powerful stotra which explains the 9 Avarana Devatas of Sri Yantra, and also it describes the greatest Upasakas, Mitreshamai, Uddeshamai, Charyanadamai, Loba, Mudramai, Agassamai. All those great Upasakas who have worshipped Universal Mother in their own way and realized themselves and became one with her. That Guru, Divya Guru, Siddhauga, Manavoga, all those have been described. Then all the Nitya Devatas have been described. Kameshri, Bhagamalni, Nityaklini, Berunde, Vaknivasani. All Yogini Devatas, all the Chakra Adhisthana Devatas, Shakini, Dakini, everybody is in Khadgamala Stotram in one way or other. So let us look at the Khadgamala Stotram. Only the Dhyana Slokas we need to practice. I recite that words twice. But other small Mitreshamayi, I don't need to say Mitreshamayi. No. Dhyana Sloka, is it okay? Dhyana Sloka, just to save time. Hrinkarasana Garbhita Nalasikham. Hrinkarasana Garbhita Analasikham. Hrinkarasana Garbhita Analasikham. Sauh Klim Kalam Bibhratim. Sauh Klim Kalam Bibhratim. Sauvarnambaradharinim. Sauvarna Ambaradharinim. Suvarna Ambaradharinim. Sauvarnambaradharinim. Varasudha Dhautam Trinetrojvalam. Varasudha Dhautam Trinetrojvalam. वन्दे पुस्तकपाशमङ्कुशधरां वन्दे पुस्तकपाशम् अङ्कुशधरां स्रग्भूषिताम् उज्ज्वलां स्रक् भूषितां स्रक्. Look at me when I am reciting. स्रक् भूषितां उज्ज्वलां त्वां गौरीं त्रिपुरां परात्परकणां श्रीचक्रसञ्चारिणीं त्वां त्रिपुरां परात्परकणां श्रीचक्रसञ्चारिणीं. Fortunately, I don't need to recite in the Vedic swara. I can just, merge into that stotram. That's the beauty of the stotra. So, complete slokam. Hrīṅkārādana garbhidāna lajikāṁ sauh klīಂ kalam bibratīm sauvarnām varadārinīm varadhā dautāṁ trinetrodjalam वन्दे पुस्तकपाशमङ्कुशधरां स्रग्भूषितां उज्ज्वलां त्वां गौरीं त्रिपुरां परात्परगणां श्रीचक्रसञ्चारिणीं. That is the dhyana sloka. Every stotram, Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam, Lalita Sahasranamam, has got a dhyana sloka. They always tell, I need to understand நான் யாரை பார்க்க போகிறேன், யார் வீட்டுக்கு போகிறேன், அவங்க எப்படி இருப்பாங்க, இந்த மூடு என்ன, அவங்க தத்துவம் என்ன, என்ன கிஃப்ட் கொடுத்தா அவங்க ரொம்ப சந்தோஷப்படுவாங்க, இதெல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சு தானே போகிறோம் ஏதாவது வேலை இருக்கிறப்போ. When you have an obligation with somebody, you just do a research on that fellow. What kind of person he is, what gift I need to take to please that person, because I have an obligation. Right? What mood, what power is really powerful. Same Manovyaparam we are doing here. Manovyaparam. Is that wrong word, Manovyaparam? Before I pray, I need to know, நாடு பவர் இருக்கா சொல்ல முடியுமா சீஃப் மினிஸ்டர் கிட்ட கேட்டு தான் போகிறோம். பவர் இல்லைன்னா போவோமா? அந்த தட் பவர் ஐ நீட் டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் டு இன்டியூஸ் confidence and focus in. Though that gives a tattvam and description of a form by of the formless entity. Here, normally, look at this. Shantakaram bhujagasenam padmanabham. That one. Shantakaram tattvam. Then afterwards, Padmanabham, Suresam, idella velu. Then Sindhurarana Vigraham, Sindhurarana Tattvam. Shukla Ambaradaram Tattvam. Anything, the first word is Tattvam. Srimata Tattvam. Prakrutye Namaha, Vikrutye Namaha, Vidyaya Namaha. After that, Vilva Vasinye Namaha, something welcome. But Prakrutye Namaha Tattvam. Right? So, all these things, first word will be normally Tattvam. So, where is she? Very compassionate. I'll tell you first itself where you can find me. Hrīṅkārāsana. Hreem is a Bhuvaneshwari Bijam, Lakshmi Bijam, Hakara, Rakara, Ikara, Makara. It starts from the heart center. So, Hrīṅkārāsana Garbhitam. So, before you, Bhuvaneshwari, that goddess mother, if you want to connect to her by a Bijakshram, and that Bijakshram is Hreem, Bhuvaneshwari Bijam. Hreem. Hrīṅkāra asana. I am sitting on the Bijakshara. Garbhita analasikham. In that dream, visualize a fire like lamp, a small flame of fire. Garbhitam in that Hrinkaram, not the letter, in that sound, in that tattvam. So normally my guru, Amrutananda Saraswati, I miss him a lot. Every moment I miss him a lot. Amazing, amazing meanings he has given. One day we are going to bring all the meanings given by him to our people. Amazing. Because anything which we say, we need to quote the author. If I say this, you may think, oh, Guru Karnamaya, your wisdom is great, your interpretation great. This is not my interpretation. This is my Guru, great Guru, Amrutananda Saraswati's interpretation. This word only. He says, the triangle is there. Hari Hara Virinchi, Shiva, Vishnu, Brahma. Hari, Vishnu, Shiva, Brahma. And in that, this Kameshwari, Hrim, is fanning a desire in Kameshwara and asking for a union with him. Externally, everybody misunderstood my Guruji by giving the meaning. Fanning the desire of Kameshwara to be in union with him with Sau as a makutam on her head, Bijam, claim the continued interest for union. That is the meaning he has given. But if you understand him properly, Hrim is a Bijakshram of that mother who is constantly fanning the desire in the Kameshwara of all the Jivas are Kameshwaras, the seer. To be in union with her, to merge with her. Prakruti is Kameshwari. The world is Kameshwari. So, Hrim is a Jnana Lakshmi. Always, my child, come in my embrace. She is fanning the desire in this Upasaka. You don't need anything except me. Claim Bijakshram. Externally, oh my God, this kind of meaning. She wants you to run away. But internal meaning is she gives that kind of higher knowledge and that kind of identity for you, which will make you desire for union with her. Desire to be in union with her because she mentioned Ratipriya, Rakshakari, Rakshasagni. And this union is not just physical union. The merger of the awareness of the self in the nature, where only one, because everything, Tvameva jagat sarvam tat tat tishtati sarvam jagadam tailemeshati sarvam jagadidam tvai pratyeti. We just heard in where? Ganapati Atharasisham, right? So everything is moving towards her. The nature is also trying to absorb you, take you. And that's why she is telling Ratirupa Ratipriya. Not just the physical union they are referring. The Tattva Chintana, the Yeruka. Yeruka means consciousness, awareness. Everything merges, then there will be only one thing. The absorbed is already in the absorbent. and only one thing, nature. Then your real nature comes out. When you merge with the nature, then your real nature of divinity comes in this human form. There are so many divine people in the human form. Right? I always tell Paramam Chandrasekhara Saraswati, Periyavar, Nadamadum Daivam, Ramana Maharshi, Moni Baba, Lahari Mahasai. So many divine energies in the human form. For that to happen, you need to meditate on the Bijakshara. Hrinkarasana Garbhita Analasikham. Here, I need to mention Narayana Suktam, Purusha Suktam, Durga Suktam. Everywhere, similar kind of meaning is come. Nivara Tasya Madhye Sikayam. Right? Tasya Madhye Vahni Sikha Aniyohotva Vivastitah Nilato Yeda Madhyastha Vidyullekeva Bhasparam Nivara Sukha Vattanvi Bhitamasyat Panopama Tasya Sikhaya Madhye Paramahatma Vyavastitah. Same thing here. Rinkarasana Garbhita Analasikham. Everything is only highest jhana is compared with fire only. Because ultimately, even this body also don't remain. You need to burn everything. That is the homam. Please teach me homam. Burn yourself. All those junk which is obstructing your spiritual progress. That's why Analasikham has come. She's a wonderful mother. She tells you where to find and she tells you what to do with her when you find. Suppose I don't know what to do. I see in the mother. Maybe I can ask a foolish desire, get me a job in a government sector. I don't know. So I need to have both knowledge, where to find her, how to find her, and what to do with her. That is where Rinkara Targarbhita Analasikham Sau. Sau is always Makutam. On the fire, if you Chandrasekhara, Chandrasekhara, Chandrasekhara Pahivam, Chandrasekhara, Chandrasekhara, Chandrasekhara Rakshamam. This Sau is Parabijam. Paradhyanam, Para Upasana is a special Upasana which is done at what time? 12 midnight. Right? That is again, the time is not the actual midnight. When your life has already ended, when it is joining with thyself, that's a 12. And Sau is also how to recite that Sau, Bijam, should be known from Guru. But in our case, Sau is the Makutam, which is actually the mind. So it activates the mind of this Kameshwara. Kameshwara is not a male. Again, don't get into confusion that Kameshwara is a male, so I'm not, so many females are there. Oh, this is not for me. No. Everyone is Kameshwara. Who is witnessing? If I am witnessing you, I am a Kameshwara, you are a Kameshwari. Kartik is also Kameshwari. And Kartik is looking at me, he is a Kameshwara and I am a Kameshwari. This is the Ardhanari Swarupam. That's what is described. The one who sees is Kameshwara. What is seen is Kameshwari. Receiver is Kameshwari. Giver is Kameshwara. As simple as that. So, Sau, she controls this mind and fans a desire. This desire is not the mundane desire which is happening at below the Mooladhara. Kleem. Next, Kleem is coming. Kalam Bhibratim. Kleem is a wonderful bijam which is representing a flow. In the normal erotic sentiment, they describe that this Kameshwari is yearning for the desire, with a desire for union with Kameshwara. Because of that, the Srishti can happen. That's outer meaning. But the inner meaning is, I want this book. The book has come. I am there. The book is there. There is no measure, even though I have it. Have I become a book? No. I want mother. Mother has come. Mother is there, I am there. Did the measure happen? It can happen. The desire will be fanned by Sau, and the merger can happen with Kleem, the flow. The Kleem is a Bijakshara which makes you lose your identity. No longer you are Shivam. No. I am Sita Lakshmi, I am Aravind, I am Shivam, anything, I am Amanda, everything in me. Then whom are you merging with? Myself. See, that is a Kleem. Kleem is a Bijakshara representing the flow. Sarva Sankshobhani, Sarva Vidravini, Sarva Akarshini. Sarva Sankshobhani is Aim. The real knowledge that Shobha should come. Not Shobha, Shobha. K-S-H-O. Shobha means agitation of mind. This is not what I need. That real agitation for that real knowledge is called Aim Sarva Sankshobhani. Then automatically Sarva Vidravini happens. Kleem happens. Aim Kleem. Sarvakarshini. Sau. The Saubhagyam comes. The greatest treasure will come. Pleasure will come. Being in Bangalore, you can feel heaven. Heaven is not a location. Heaven is an experience. All along I was thinking that heaven is a location. It's an experience. So, Sarva Sankshobhani, Sarva Vidravani, Sarva Akarshini, Aim Kleem Sau. So, without my knowledge, without understanding what is Aim Kleem Sau, Sau Kleem Aim. So, when I know this subject, when I have this knowledge, then I'll the second second set of Bijakshara in the Bala Mantra comes. Aim Kleem Sau. Now I need to know, I need to realize myself. Then Sau Kleem Aim. I'll be an Acharya. I'll be a Jagat Guru. Then I can give this to the people. Then I can make the ego in them flow and merge with me. Because I'm one with her, I can make. The only one who is one with the mother can make an impact on the consciousness of the jivas and help them. Aim Kleem Sau. That's for you. Sau Kleem Aim. That other Aim is outside. I'm giving that knowledge. Do you understand that? So let us not think. తెలుగులో ఒకటి ఉంది తనకాయుషు తనకారోగ్యం తాచిన్ని పొట్ట శ్రీరామ రక్ష. That's all. If I eat, and that's enough. If I do Mantra that's enough. If I am realized, that's enough. If my guru also taught like that, he would not have come out of Zambia. So many people, including me, would not have been benefited by his knowledge. Very rarely we find people like Amrutananda Saraswati. So, why I am telling is, once you get this knowledge, Sau Kleem, you need to become a guru. Not a guru with all the external thing. A guru who is eager to share his joy about mother with the people. அவன் போகிறப்ப கூட நிறுத்திட்டு ஒரு நிமிஷம் என்ன கேள மதர் பற்றி சொல்ல போகிறேன், ரொம்ப நல்லவ, ரொம்ப அருமையானவ, நீங்களும் அந்த மாதிரி ஆர்வம் இருக்கணும், துடிக்கணும் சொல்லத்துக்கு. You need to having that yearning for describing your mother to the people. Let them praise you, likes, dislikes, shares, or that Facebook language. You don't bother, just put it, just teach it. That's greatest thing. So, Hrinkara Garbhita Analasikham. Hrim is one Bijaksham Muviland. That is Bhuvaneshwari Bijam. That is fanning the desire of the Kameshwara to be in union with the Kameshwari, the seer with the seen. That's the Jnana Lakshmi. Sau is another Bijam which is kindling the desire, Parabijam. Not the desire of lower, Parabijam. Here, at this point. So it no longer, it is Achyuta. Other Bijakshams may be Chuta. This is Achyuta Bijam. Urdhva Retas. The whole energy is moving towards the top. That is Sau. That's why you should not say that Bijam Sau, like we say in the Bala Mantram. That Para Bijaksham should be recite Sau. That's why there is no end to that. Because if you give the end, it will again come and stay in the Mooladhara. And that is Parabijam. Sau, Klim, Kalam, Bibhratim. She is wearing that Bijaksharas. Wearing means not having that Bijaksharas energy, the Tattva in her. Sauvarna Ambaradharinim. Sauvarna Ambaradharinim. All are, Sauvarna is all the metals, gold is supreme. Sky, the highest, which you can imagine. Dharinim. So, she is wearing a dress. Mahamaya Savarna Ambara Savarna is very attractive. Ambara is vast. Mahamaya. You know that story, Mahamaya story. Narada has never understood what is Mahamaya, and he asks Vishnu, and he warns also, don't ever talk to me about Mahamaya. That is Savarna. The same thing is reflected in the third Avarna. Ananga Kusuma, Ananga Mekala, Ananga Madanana. These are all the Mahamaya Swarup. Master Lakshmi, they say. But very difficult to cross them and go to meet our lady Maha Tripura Sundari in the Bindu Swarup. So, Savarnambaradharinim is having a wheel of the great illusion. Great illusion. That is Ambaradharinim. Varasudha Dhautam. But then, if you understand her illusion, and by her grace, if that great wheel of illusion is removed, the next course is described here. Varasudham. That means constantly she is giving you life in the body, off the body, online, offline, doesn't matter. Constantly Varasudham. Sudha means nectar. Nectar means immortality. Dhautam. తడిసిపోయింది ఆవిడ తమ అమృతంలో తడిసిపోయింది. షీ ఈజ్ కంప్లీట్లీ వెట్ ఇన్ ద నెక్టార్ ఆఫ్ immortal knowledge. So, but outside, people will go to her, unfortunately, with mundane desires. I need this, I need this. That is the Savarna Ambaradharani. But once you ask her to remove, Amma, remove your Maya, then you know that she is capable of giving Varasudha Dhautam Srinetra Ujjwalam, past, future, present. The three eyes glowing like three great fires. Again, fire is knowledge. She knows why you are here because she is you. That's how it is put. என்னை பற்றி எனக்கு தெரியாதா? உனக்கு தெரியாமல் இருக்கலாம். என்னை பற்றி எனக்கு தெரியாதாடா? நானே நீயா இருக்கேன். நீ யாருன்னு தெரியாதா? I know because I am you. That is why I know who you are. And I know what is happening now. See, now I know what I am wearing, but you don't know what I am wearing. Why I am laughing is sometimes we need to control our speech. And our Guru used to tell, you should stop the word right here, Madhyama. Once it comes out of Vaikari, you are done. So I just stopped the joke. And here, I won't reveal it, but that made me laugh how she controls this child. இது வேணாண்டா, அது எந்த இப்போ சொல்லக்கூடாது அந்த ஜோக்குன்னு. அது எந்த எல்லாம் எசன்ஸ் வந்து அங்கே இட் வில் ஸ்டாப் ஹியர். ஸோ Trinetrodjalam Vande, I prostrate before you. Why I am prostrating? Because you know what I don't know. That's what I think. எனக்கு தெரியாதெல்லாம் உனக்கு தெரியும், నాకు తెలియదంతా నీకు తెలుస్తుంది. అందువల్ల that is why సర్వజ్ఞ సాంద్రకరుణ సమానాధిక విదిత. When I know that you know, I don't have anything to do except Vande, surrender. But what we are doing a mistake is, we are doing Vande and putting condition, description of our desire, when the desire has to be fulfilled, by whom, in what manner, everything we are giving a project plan for her. That is the mistake we are doing. Just Vande. Who are you? Pustaka Pasham Ankusha Dharam. One is Abhayastam, Vardahastam. The other hand, Pustakam, the knowledge. It may be Upanishad, it may be Veda, anything. Pustakam means knowledge. All knowledge combined together, you are holding in your hand. Pasham. Because of you only, my life has got a value. Because the family, even though you have trouble from the family, sometimes, many times, but without that, your life is nothing. Right? So, this is an asset you have given, Pasham. But if you don't have the control, it'll be a class without the teacher. Classroom is good. I need to go to the classroom to study. But if the teacher is not there, will I study? I'll be jumping on the benches. So that way, Ankusham is also necessary. So, Pustakam, classroom. Pasam, desire to go to the classroom. Ankusham, discipline. Everything combined together is called learning. As I told you before, Hrim is the Jnana Lakshmi. I come to you for learning from you. Vande Pustaka Pasa Mankusa Dharam Sak Bhushitam Ujjwalam. Haras, that we are having garlands. Garland is where do you hang the garland? Is this called garland? No. Is this called garland? No. Anything which is having a support of the neck is called garland. And what is this neck? In the Sankalpam they say, Mama Khadga Siddhyadde Jape Vinyoga. Purpose of Khadgamala is to remove my ego. With that, I need to have a Khadgam, a knowledge. Tadrusam Khadgamapnoti Yena Hastastirvai Ashtadata Mahadvipa Sambrat Bhokta Bhavichyati. I should be an emperor of this 18 pitas, 10, 5 jnanendriyas, 5 karmendriyas, ashtapashas, I need to control. That is possible when I'm able to kill my ego with the khadgam given by you. So that's why Sragbhushitam, when I'm seeing at your neck garland, I'm reminded about my neck and the khadgam. Sragbhushitam Ujvalam. I'm not lured by the shining of the garland. Everything, whatever Ambal, the mother, wears or holds, Ambal herself is a total Jnana Swarupam. Don't go to Tirupati, look at Balaji. Wow. Vajrakaucham, very costly. I think about 100 crores will be there. People think, அங்கே போய் கூட நீங்கள் எவாலுவேஷன் மாஸ்டர் இல்லை. That is why don't look at the abharanas as abharanas. Vajra kavacham. Then pray to Balaji. Hey Balaji, you're reminding me that you are going to protect me like a diamond. I just look at your kavacham. I know nothing can harm me. This is what I need to look at Swami's kavacham and pray. In the same way, Sragbhushitam, the hanging garlands, remind me about my neck, the ultimate cutting of my neck, which is ego thrashing. Twam, you are. Gaurim, you are the one who is protecting me with a fort, with the knowledge, protection, knowledge, and comforting me with pleasure. The Gauri Devi Puja, they do. And then the Gauri Devi, I don't know, in South India, we have the Gauri Devi like Panabhattam. And then normally in the Shivalingam, Panabhattam, you have the Shivalingam. And this is actually a representation of female genital. And the bride will worship that. Let this new acquaintance, let this new relationship whom I'm going to have, will continue this race. But at the same time, let me worship myself in my own body so that the unmatched understanding between me and the person whom I am going to marry make this. So she is worshipping the Yoni Pitham of the Kamakhya to give her strength to start a new life with the person whom in olden days they didn't see, whom he has not seen before. So in the same way, Twam Gaurim Tripuram. Tripura means the three worlds we say, but Tripura, you are before the Bhavishyat Vartamana Bhuta. Before that, என்னோட முன்னாடி நீ இருக்க. Tripuram Paratparakalam Sri Chakra Sancharinim. You are the Amsha, the greatest Amsa of the greatest Amsha. I may be seeing you in a Bijakshram, but that Bijakshram, it may be Hrim or Klim or Sau. Everything must have come from a Pranava, and that Pranava should have come from a, what you call that, primordial sound or something like that. That sound, and then that sound has come from a Nishabdam. So, that Nishabdam, if that is the greatest Kala, you are the greatest Amsha, subsect of that greatest Kala. Paratpara Kala. So it is one and the same whether I worship you or worshipping the all-pervading Brahman. So once again, Rinkaratanagarbitanalasikam Sauhu Klim Kalam Bibhratim Sauvarnam Varadharinim Varasudha Dautam Trinetrodvalam Vande Pustakapasamankudharam Sragbhushtamujvalam Tvam Gaurim Tripurat Paraparagalam Sri Chakra Sancharini. You are in this Sri Chakram as Prana Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Ichha Shakti. You are the power. Because of that power only this Sri Chakram is working now. Sri Chakram means auspicious Chakram. The time is rolling. The thoughts are rolling. The words are rolling. The action is rolling. Everything is possible because you are in the Sri Chakram. Sri Chakra Sancharini and everything in the world. Bhuchakra Sancharini, Sri Chakram, Bhuchakram. Kirichakra Sama, Kirichakra Radha Sarva. All the chakras are coming. Jay Chakra Radha Mantrini Mardivita. But all the chakras, all the dynamism, chakra means dynamism. Dynamism combined together. When you feel inside you, that is Sri Chakram. So because of you, because I feel that you are in me, I become a Sri Chakram. Then I can do my own worship. Like my guru used to say, Om Bhurbhasvata Tadridam, Om Pranaya, Om Apanaya, Swapma Nevedyam Nivedayami. No banana, no. That kind of knowledge and capacity you get by this first Dhyana Sloka of Khatmala. Srimatra.